motivation line for you. And when you want something with true heart, all the universe conspire in helping you to achieve it. Hello everyone, here this side Hassan Scoop and I am Sadia, and today we are here to share about ourselves. Our topic is how have we been learning English. So when I came here in Hassan Talks, that time I knew little bit English, but I didn't know how to speak properly and how to write properly English. After that, my teacher started teaching me some vocabulary words and new words, new sentences and phrases. After that, I was taught non-action and actions. After that, my teacher started giving me a random topic, and I started giving answer, and my teacher said to me that if you want to improve yourself and improve your English speaking, that you have to do mirror practice and voice practice, like this type of things. After that, I started doing practice, and I have been doing practice, and now this time I am able to understand English and I am able to speak English. I know you and me, we are also excited to listen to Nasiba. So Nasiba, would you like to share about yourself?
Yes, of course. So as she told you, my name is Nasiba. So in the starting, when I came here, so firstly my teacher taught me non-action, and after completing non-action, he started teaching me action and the other thing like daily routine and vocabularies word which I got. And after day by day, when I started learning these things, so he started giving us the task like we have to speak randomly on randomly topic and the other thing. And the one of my favorite topic was Choloteka Bridge, in which I spoke, and I spoke very nicely. I remember this. And after that, he said us that if you want to improve your speaking skills completely, so you can do mirror practice and audio voice recording and shoot video, etc. So I did it, and I have been doing it. Because of it, now I am able to speak English, and also I am able to understand everything in English, not completely, but still I am. So one thing I got from it, that practice makes a man perfect. So I hope guys you got my point, and thank you to giving your precious time. Bye bye.
I have one motivation line for you. And when you want something with true heart, all the universe conspire in helping you to achieve it.